strong buyers, here is a strong buyers, here is a strong buyers, from here is strong buyers. It was also exactly from strong buyers move upside. Okay, everyone think try to move upside. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I take a one sell trade here. Let me explain first. See, it was looking like it was moving like downtrend, again it was looking like uptrend, again market came down. So what I am looking here, I am looking from here level, this is the liquidity level. So from this level market see the liquidity, try to moving downside and have a good one have a confirmation to take. I have a confirmation to take the sell trade here. See, here is the fair extreme fair value gap, it was mitigated moving downside, and here is the extreme fair value gap, it was mitigated moving downside. From this support zone, the strong buyers are entered and have a fair value gap here. These buyers not see the any liquidity, so that's why I take a sell trade here. I win this. So I'm waiting for confirmation. If I get any another confirmation, I will take the sell. I will take the trades. I will explain. Okay. Simple analysis. Always find the liquidity. Liquidity is important. If you find the liquidity, you will be easily win the market. Okay. I will check another levels. Okay, it was looking like downtrend. Here is a liquidity level. It was sweep and come try to move in downside. So if it is moved downside, the first target is here, the next target is here. So in between these targets, if I get any confirmation, I will take the trades. I will explain about it. Okay, so I draw previously extreme fair value gap here. So here is a swing low, swing high, here is a swing low. So between the this swing we have only one extreme gap. After this first time sweep, second time sweep, market try to moving downside. So still there is a no confirmation to take the trade. If I get any confirmation, I will try to take the trade here. Okay, there is a no confirmation. So market will, if want to reverse, at least it will come to this extreme fair value gap. This is the one extreme fair value gap we have. So this is the target. If I get any confirmation, I will try to take a sell trade. Okay, here also market moving downside from this extreme fair value gap. Okay, it was mitigated moving upside, second time sweep, again try to move in downside. So target also finished it here, because the why this target, it is a one and only fair value gap, it was mitigated, this is liquidity level, that's why market moving upside. Okay, if I get any confirmation, I am looking for. Okay, I take sell trade here, but my entry point is not good. Simple reason, what I say, I am looking for gaps. So already market sees the liquidity moving downside. Where is the target? The first target is here. One second, I will clearly draw. The first target is here. Okay, the first target is here and the last target is here. So between this one, it was a created a fair value gap here. See, we have a gap. So I take the direct trade, because in this whole price action, this is the only one gap now we get. So 100% it will move downside. See, it will be closed as a simply red candle, because I have a confirmation. I am not looking any levels, I am looking for liquidity plus gaps. Gap means fair value gap, FEG. I see only these two things, I taking the trade. See, in front of you, again second trade is win. Okay, if I get any trade setup, I will take the trades, I will explain. See, here I don't have any trading setup. Okay, okay, maybe it will move upside. Okay, it will come down, I will take the entry point. No, no, this is not perfectly confirmation. So I am waiting for confirmation. Without confirmation, never trade. I am not going to take the trade. If you don't know what is the like gap, fair value gaps, I already uploaded the video. Go and watch it, you can get very clarity about that. Okay, still I am waiting for confirmation. So it's looking like a moving overall it was looking the downtrend, but it was moving upside. So but it wants to move down actually. Simply see why. Already market see the previously liquidity here and second time sweep, it was creating gap downside, so market moving. mitigating these gaps, again moving downside. It was mitigating gaps, again moving downside, again mitigation gaps, again moving downside. So it overall it was showing me interest to move downside. But the liquidity is where? It is a 1 point is liquidity, and here is the one liquidity level. So from this level, if I get any confirmation to downside, I will try to take the sell trade. Okay, I will explain. This is Friday. Already time is 10, 10, 10, 10 p.m. Very this time very dangerous market. Still, I want to make a video. That's why I'm recording this video. Let's wait for opportunity. If I get any opportunity, I will try to take trades on here. Okay, if it is closed as a green candle but not touching this level, so I'm going to take call option. If it is sweep this high, I'm not okay, it was already mitigated, so I'm not going to take any call option. So I'm look for sell trades. So I'm not drawing, this is this swing high, this is not a, and what I say, this is not resistance, and also it was equal high means liquidity. Okay, if you don't know how to find the liquidity in the market, please comment below. I will try to make a detailed video on that. Okay, there is a no confirmation. Okay, market moving upside. Here is a see same situation happening in the euro JPY also, but okay, gap is here. No, I don't have a confirmation. So see here what happening. Previously I draw, here is a liquidity level, again it was a liquidity level, it was sweep, try to moving downside, not because of this resistance level. Okay, um, here is a liquidity, because it was a equal high means liquidity, and second time sweep, so market moving downside, and we have a level is here, this is swing low, and between this swing high swing low we have one extreme fair value gap, here is the one fair value gap, so it was broken. I'm waiting for confirmation. If it is closed as a green candle and creating any gap here, I will try to take sell trade. Okay, let's wait what happening here. It will, if it is creating any gap, I will try to take sell trade. Okay, here is the extreme gap market. Now it get some momentum in the market everywhere. Okay, see here is the market target, it was finished, it was move upside. Now I don't have any confirmation to take or call option or sell option, I have to wait for now. My next trade depend on this candle close place. I will take a sell trade. Yes, previously I said what I say, if I get a gap from here, so I'm going to take sell trade. Yes, I take sell trade, simple. Let's wait what will happen. Liquidity sweep market and create a gap, so I take a sell trade, simple. This is my thought rate. Let's wait what will happen. If it is closed below, I will close the session. This is very it's not looking very good market. Still I'm just trying to analyze the market by you. Still there is a 30 seconds, wait for the candle close. See, every time I am not seeing any levels. Okay, even it was coming from exactly this support level. See, here is a strong bias, here is a strong bias, here is a strong bias, from here is a strong bias. It was also exactly from strong bias move upside. Okay, everyone think try to move upside, and also here also we have a fair value gap. So you think it was mitigated, it was sweep, so it will move upside. No, because trend is downtrend, and it was indicating from here it will move downside. See, this is the way you analyze the market. I take a three trades now, three out of three win. uh, I think there is a no opportunity now. I will check one pair. If I get any opportunity, I will try to take one trade, otherwise I will close the session today. It was closed exactly at this extreme fair value gap and reacting on that. See, and also there is a resistance level. Let's wait what will happen. If it is as a closed as a green candle, I will go for sell trade, because see, here is a exactly resistance level from here. So that's why market is reacting on this level. Wait, I don't have any confirmation to take the any trade here. See, I take a two sell trades from here. only because of the trap. See what happened. Previously we take the trade and this this red candle because of this fair value gap. Now again I can take a sell trade, two sell trades here. Simple. Previous it was sweep the liquidity, again sweep the liquidity and moving downside. I have a confirmation from this fair value gap. So market target is here. So what is market doing is here. We have we have a support level here. Exactly from this support level, it was moving try to upside, but there is a no liquidity. There is a no liquidity. So liquidity is here, the below the level. So support and resistance is not a liquidity levels. See, it was a win. I take a two trades. Support and resistance are liquidity creators. SNR levels. SNR levels are liquidity creators. It was not a liquidity level. So don't depend on SNR levels. I'm not saying don't trade and support levels, because you have to know the reason why the support and resistances work, not trade and blindly. See, after this support level, if you take the call option, you are going to be lost here. Okay. I think I take four trades, four out of trade, four win. I hope this video will be helpful for your understanding about something liquidity. If you like my content, comment below. If you want to learn, contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.